Display ads are the digital version of billboards. They're placed in high-traffic areas on a website where they're more likely to catch visitors' attention. They're one of the most popular ad formats in digital advertising, as they work with any website and are simple to use. Display ads, commonly known also as banner ads, come in three main formats: the skyscraper, rectangle, and leaderboard, offering versatility and high engagement. The rectangle is the most classic banner type, suitable for both desktop and mobile campaigns, making it an universal option for reaching broader audiences. The skyscraper is tall, making the perfect gateway to your landing page, as it's placed on the side of the content for high exposure. Lastly, the leaderboard. As the name implies, this top-performing banner type is typically displayed above or below the header of a website for maximum visibility. Whether you're aiming for visibility, versatility, or high engagement, display ads are a tried-and-true format to drive traffic and boost conversions. Visit adcash.com to start placing your banners today and capture your audience's attention where it matters most.